What exactly is double jeopardy? Put simply, it's a rule that says you cannot be prosecuted twice for the same crime or for offences arising out of the same set of facts. But as always in the law, there are exceptions. Okay, in a jury trial, if a jury acquits you, that's pretty much it. There's nothing that can be done there. The prosecution can appeal on a technical ground to say we think the judge got the law wrong, but that's just to set a general principle. It doesn't engage in a retrial or anything like that. There are, however, some exceptions. If, for instance, it can be shown that there was jury nobbling, then they can order a retrial there. And also now, for serious offences, the double jeopardy rule has gone. However, it's still a very high hurdle to try somebody twice. You have to effectively show there is compelling evidence of guilt that was not available at the time of the original trial or could not have been found with sort of reasonable due diligence. But there have been a few, there have been a few murder cases where there have been retrials. What about in the magistrates' court? Actually, that's slightly different because, say, the magistrates direct themselves on a point of law and say, as a result of that, we find you not guilty. There is a way there, actually, that can be appealed through the administrative court by way of case state. It's all a bit technical, but they can effectively say, oh, you got that wrong. Go back and have the trial again, but apply the law properly. Like I say, it's not an automatic conviction. It just means, have another go, but actually do the law properly this time. So yeah, hope you found that vaguely interesting, useful, or helpful. Actually, it's quite a big topic. Actually, there's lots of little nuances and things, but I just thought I'd give you a bit of an overview. If you like that, consider liking, subscribing, sharing, all those sorts of things.